Feeling lost in the baby gear aisle? Scrolling for hours online? Don't worry, you're not alone. I've been there too. I remember the first time I held a car seat. It felt heavier than my backpack. I wasn't sure if it was safe or if it would fit in my car. So I started asking questions, and here's what I learned. Let's break it down step by step. Getting the right car seat and stroller means your baby stays safe. Your daily life gets easier. You don't waste money. True story, we bought a cute combo. It looked great, but it didn't even fit in our trunk. Who's a type? Infant car seat, small and portable, great for newborns. Convertible car seat, grows with your child, not for carrying around. Tip: if you carry your baby a lot, go with the infant seat first. Check for safety. Side impact protection. Soft foam inside. 5-point harness. Expiration date. Install the right way. Use either. Latch system. Seat belt. Both work well, just follow the instructions. Flying? Make sure it's airline approved. Types of strollers. Full size, great for everyday use. Jogging, built for running. Umbrella, light and easy to fold. Double, for 2 kids. Car seat frame, just hold the car seat, simple and smart. Key features to look for. Easy to turn. One-hand fold. Storage basket. Adjustable handles. Reclining seat. Want help? Try a How to Pick a Stroller quiz online. It's fun and useful. Here's what to try. Can you lift it with one hand? Does it fit in your car? Can you fold it fast? Is the ride smooth when loaded? Bonus idea, search how to pick a car seat and stroller Reddit for real-life stories. Is it crash tested? Will it fit your car? Can you carry it up? For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kid Guidance. Thank you.